Now 19, 20, and 21, now we're throwing the fractions in there. So same thing we did before when we had an equation. We're going to get rid of the fraction first, and then we solve it like we did, keeping in mind that if we end up dividing by a negative, we got to reverse our sign. So first thing we're going to do is multiply everything by 6 to get rid of our fractions. So times 6, times 6, times 6, and times 6. And then we can do some canceling with the fractions. So 3 went into 6 2 times. 2 times our negative 4u gave us a negative 8u. The next one doesn't have a fraction we can't cancel. We're just going to take 6 times negative 1, so minus 6. Is greater than or equal to. That sign's not going to change because we're going to multiply by a positive number. Then we're going to cancel over here. 3 went into 6 2 times. 2 times 5u would be 10u. And then on the end, 6 goes into 6 once. 1 times 7 is 7. So if I want to solve that for you, what should I do?
Are you going to move the move the negative 6 to a positive 6?
Okay, I can move that over there. I also need to
Bring your 10.
move that over here, right? So minus 10u. So I'm going to have negative 18u is greater than or equal to 7 plus 6, which is 13 then, right? Now I have to do what?
You have to bring your 13 over to divide your 13 into 18, negative 18.
I'm dividing by the negative 18, right? The negative 18 goes on the bottom. So on my answer, u is going to be, and what symbol do I use in between?
Greater than or equal to.
Nope.
Well, you got to flip it.
I have to flip it because this was negative, right?
Yep.
So less than or equal to, and I can't simplify that other than putting the negative in front. So u is less than or equal to negative 13/18. But yep, I got to flip my sign on that one because my number in front of my u was negative. All right, number 20 then. Going to multiply by my common denominator. Since I have a 4 and a 7, I have to multiply by 28, right? So I'm going to take each of these times 28. This time I only have 2 fractions to cancel out. So 4 goes into 28. 7 times 3u would be 21u. There's no fraction with the 1. I'm just going to do 1 times 28, which is going to give me 28. It's greater than or equal to. Same thing on the next one. There's no fraction, so I'm just going to take 28 times negative u, which makes it negative 28u. Then on the end, I have another fraction to cancel. 7 goes into 28 4 times. 4 times a negative 5 would be minus 20. So to solve this one, what should we do?
I'm going to bring the 28. It's going to be positive 28.
Plus 28u, yep.
And minus 28.
So we're going to get 49u is greater than or equal to negative 48, right? And then to solve that, I'm going to divide by 49. My answer is u is going to be, and what symbol do I use?
You're going to equal or less, the same one.
The same one.
Same one.
Greater than or equal to negative 48 over 49. So on this one, this number in front of the u was positive. We left our sign the same direction. Alrighty. Number 21 here. We're going to finish this page since we're behind already, even though we're going past class time. It'll work. It'll be all right. What should I multiply by here? What should be my common denominator?
18.
18 would be a good answer. So I'm going to times everything times 18. So on my first fraction, 9 goes into 18 twice. 2 times negative 5v, negative 10v. Next one doesn't have a fraction, so negative 2 times 18, negative 36, is less than or equal to. 6 goes into 18, 3 times 7 is 21v then. And then 9 goes into 18, 2 times 4 is 8, right? So in order to solve that, we would,
Okay, bring the 21 V's to be negative 21 V plus 36.
exactly. So we would get negative 31v is less than or equal to, and if we add that, we get 44, right?
Yep, so the answer is going to be V is less than or equal to 44 and negative 31.
Now,
Was it going to be just negative?
it is going to be negative, and what else do you have to do because this was negative?
Oh yeah, we have to flip this side.
Ah, I've got to flip my sign, and it's going to be negative 44/31 then. So always watch that. When you're working with an inequality, a greater than or less than, if that's negative and you divide, that sign's got to flip.